Only complete 1 month fasting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave our beloved Prophet Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his ummah. So this is the one of the great opportunity to do ibadah. If we do ibadah in this month, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give us multiply reward. That's why I recited one important ayat from the Surah Al-Baqarah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Quran, Shahru Ramadan alladhi unzila fihi al-Quran Hudan lin-nas wa bayyinatin min al-huda wal-furqan. Shahru Ramadan alladhi, the month of Ramadan, which is I revealed the special kitab, is called Quran Sharif, in this month. In this month of Ramadan, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed the special kitab is called Quran Sharif. Hudal lin-nas, the guidance for mankind. Wa bayyinatin min al-huda wal-furqan, and the clear proof of truth between right and wrong. Hudal lin-nas, bayyinatin min al-huda wal-furqan, between right and wrong. So this month, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent us Quran. This Quran is the light. The light showed us the right way. Which way is right and which way is wrong. That's Allah Hudal lin-nas, the right and wrong. The Quran teaching us this road is right for you, this road is not right for you. It's called Hudal lin-nas. And when they discussing in this ayat, the Islamic scholar, one of the very well-known Islamic scholar is called Hafiz Imaduddin ibn Kathir rahimahullah. He wrote the very authentic tafsir book. It's called Tafsir ibn Kathir. He wrote in this book, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not only revealed the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed the so many others special book in this month, kitab in this month. Number 1, the first of Ramadan, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed the very small book, small kitab to Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam. It's called Sahifa. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed the first of Ramadan. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered Prophet Musa alayhi salatu wasalam keep fasting the 14 days. And he went to the mountain of Tur. He stayed just 14 days. And he did so many ibadah for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed to him the very authentic kitab is called Torah. It was revealed the 6th of Ramadan. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed another special kitab in this month. In the 12th of Ramadan, the Prophet Dawood alayhi salatu wasalam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered him keep fasting, and he keep fast. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him the authentic kitab is called Zabur. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered the Prophet Isa alayhi salatu wasalam keep fasting the 14 days, or another rawat will get the 13 days he keep fasting. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed to him the very authentic kitab is called Injil. It was revealed in 13th of Ramadan. So not only Quran Sharif Allah revealed in this month, other special kitab Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed in this month. Because Allah wanted to give that speciality, Allah explained us how special month it is. So it is our duty to we do ibadah for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, inshallah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us so many rewards in this dunya and the day of judgment. You know that our beloved Prophet Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says very authentic hadith. He said, إِذَا دَخَلَ رَمَضَانَ فُتِحَتْ أَبْوَابَ السَّمَاءِ وَغُلِّقَتْ أَبْوَابَ جَهَنَّمَ وَسُلْسِلَةِ الشَّيَاطِينِ. Prophet said, when month of Ramadan will start, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala open the all gates of sky. وَغُلِّقَتْ أَبْوَابَ جَهَنَّمَ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala completely locked the all doors of hell. وَسُلْسِلَةِ الشَّيَاطِينِ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala changed the shaitan. But still, so many people they do the wrong actions, wrong activities, but shaitan is locked. Very special month we are passing. So every single minute we need to be careful about this month. We know that this month will come the yearly one time. So it is our duty to look after ourselves. And if you recite that as many times Quran Sharif, Alhamdulillah, when you go to Tarabi Salat, you are hearing the recitation of Quran behind the Habitcha. Or if you are very busy, at least from the Surah Wa'idli to Surah Nas. How many surahs? 12 surahs? 12 surahs. Wa'idli to Surah Nas, if you recite every day, one single letter you recite, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you 10 reward. But month of Ramadan, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say, I'll give you unlimited reward, 1 to 700. So Surah Wa'idli to Surah Nas, how many letters? We can't see. So if Allah give you 1 to 700 reward, so can you imagine how many reward we are getting? So it is very, very important month. At least every day you recite that from, like so many brothers and sisters, they can recite the Quran 1 per hour, half per hour, 1 juz. At least recite the 20 surahs every day or 30 surah every day. And inshallah you'll get so many rewards. Inshallah, the next time we'll discuss about more about month of Ramadan. Jazakallahu khairan. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give all of us reward inshallah in this month and the day of judgment inshallah. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
فلا